In short, a high loop is when the dishwasher drain hose is secured so that it rises up and is held as high as possible, ideally just under the countertop, before it goes back down to connect to the sink drain or garbage disposal. Doing so will help prevent dirty water from the sink or the garbage disposal from flowing right back into your dishwasher. This is a very easy DIY project, and all you're going to need is either a zip tie or some sort of clamp or bracket, a screw, and a screwdriver. First, locate the dishwasher drain hose. Find where the drain hose exits the dishwasher and runs toward the kitchen sink. The drain hose is typically gray and looks something like this. Inside the sink cabinet and under the kitchen sink, pull the drain hose up as high as you can, ideally again just under the underside of the countertop, and then secure the highest point. You can use a bracket or a zip tie to attach the hose to the underside of that countertop or the back wall of the cabinet. I'm doing the back wall of the cabinet here because my hose just doesn't run high enough to get to the top. And then it should already be routed back towards the drain, but if it's not, from the high point, let the hose drop down and connect it to the garbage disposal or the sink drain piece, such as this one. Make sure that the hose isn't kinked or pinched anywhere and that the water is flowing freely. And that's it. This is a very simple but important step. Again, it helps prevent dirty water from the sink or the garbage disposal backflowing into your dishwasher, so you definitely want to make sure that this is in place. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.